Viewers, today we will discuss liquidity preference theory of interest. The liquidity preference theory of interest is an economic theory proposed by John Maynard Keynes that explains how the demand for money, also known as liquidity, affects the interest rate. According to Keynes, the demand for money is a function of the level of economic activity and the level of uncertainty in the economy. When economic activity is high and uncertainty is low, people have a lower demand for money and are willing to lend it at a lower interest rate. Conversely, when economic activity is low and uncertainty is high, people have a higher demand for money and are willing to lend it only at a high interest rate. The theory argues that the interest rate is determined by the intersection of the supply of and demand for money. The supply of money is controlled by the central bank, while the demand for money is determined by individuals and business in the economy. Keynes believed that changes in the interest rate can influence economic activity, as a lower interest rate will encourage borrowing and investment, while a higher interest rate will discourage borrowing and investment. The liquidity preference theory of interest is one of the key components of Keynesian economics and has been widely discussed and debated by economists. While some argue that the theory provides a useful framework for understanding the relationship between interest rates, the demand for money, and economic activity, others argue that it does not accurately reflect the complexities of the monetary system and the determination of interest rates.